Tight budget? No problem. Summer grilling can still be a blast. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your ultimate guide to homemaking without breaking the bank. This week, we're diving into part 2 of our 20% grocery budget plan. The food may change, but the savvy shopping principles remain the same. Let's start with a quick refresher on the 20% grocery plan. Here's the formula. You take your total grocery budget, divide it by 5, and there you go. Each slice of your budget pie is 20%. Assign each slice to a different food category and stick to your limits. For instance, if you're working with $50 for 2 people like I am, you've got $10 to spend on each category: meat and protein, dairy, fruit, veggies, and miscellaneous things like staples or canned goods. This week I stuck to my 20% budget plan. Here's the lowdown on what made it into my cart. For meat and protein, I got stuff to make baked beans, and I got eggs to eat for breakfast and to use in baking. We already had deer steaks in the freezer, so I didn't need to buy any meat to grill. In the dairy section, I picked up butter, cottage cheese, and yogurt. I really wanted cheese, but it will have to wait. I ran out of room in my budget. For fruit, we're still getting lots of raspberries from the garden, so I grabbed some pineapple to grill and a few extra fruits for variety. For veggies, I focused on salad toppers and some things to grill. We have as much lettuce as we can eat from our garden, and the squash and tomatoes are coming on strong as well, so we have plenty of veggies for the week. For miscellaneous, I grabbed some essentials like cream of chicken soup for making chicken pot pie. The store brand was a steal at almost half the price of the name brand. I also got salsa verde to make pozole. Shopping was a breeze. One store, one list, and a few savvy sales in the produce aisle. I made sure to stretch every dollar and grab the best deals. Give the 20% grocery plan a whirl and let us know how it goes. Thanks for tuning in to Spendwise Moms. Hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly tips and tricks.